Yo, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Morning Market Report. It is June 5th. It's a Thursday. I'm still in my mobile setup, but in the new house, trying to get everything set up. If there's a little bit of echo, I'm sorry. I haven't got everything set up here yet. But hey, we are live, and we are going to talk about what's going on in the economy. Circle is launching today. That is a big IPO I've been talking about here on the show. The stable coin for USDC, that company launching now. It is live right now, guys. So we're going to be taking a look at that. Plus, we got some jobs data that came in this morning. And tomorrow, everyone's just kind of holding their breath, waiting to see what happens with ADP. We're going to talk about that. We're going to take a look at the Bitcoin chart. We're going to break it all down for you guys so you guys can understand what is going on in the macro world. You guys know what time it is. Everybody, please take your seats. Take your seats. Piper is back. Class is in session. Let's get it. All right, let's go ahead and just keep this thing rolling here, guys. I don't know, like I know there's an echo in here. You guys let me know how the sound is in the chat, but right now I do think that I need to bring up my co-host because he's been the host for a while and he's been running everything. OC guy, what is up, dude? How you doing today, man? We tried to do a little one yesterday. It wasn't too bad, but I think today we have gotten everything rocking here and we know exactly what we got going on. So how are you doing today, man?
Oh, I'm doing so good. In fact, I'm so glad that you're back. I think we need to go and start some discussions. What's going on in the markets? Because things are kind of like shaky. Let me know. Have you been trading lately? Have you been looking at altcoins? Have you been looking at Bitcoin? Have you been busy with the house? How is it going?
So, got the house. We're into the house now. I still have to fly back to El Paso Sunday night. I'm gonna be flying back. Got a rental car. Going to the movers Monday. The movers show up. They're gonna be packing everything. Hopefully, I'm back here in the Rockwall area of Dallas by Thursday. I'm flying back that day. The movers should be here shortly after that. But it's been crazy chaotic. I've been fighting off some type of congestion, respiratory thing. So if I sound a little raspy, I apologize. But yeah, it's been a hectic week. But as far as trading, I have not been doing much trading. I've just been following the Piper plan for DCA. Put that stuff out on Monday. Did pick up some more Bitcoin. We are back right now, back where we were when I started doing that. But I did get my new Nespresso coffee maker. So check it out. I got me my little tiny coffee. So. Nope, no OJ in it. We're good. We're good. No OJ there. Had to check it out. But shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Who all do we got in here? We got Buck in here. He said needs a pay hike. OC needs a pay hike. I agree. He does. Eric Ballin Wallin. Does Piper's head looks, dude, I'm really sunburned. I've been doing a lot of stuff. I was in Vegas and then on this work trip. So yeah, I got a red head going on today. Sound is good here. Appreciate you, Dylan VA. How you doing? Alexandra G, my mod queen. Crypto Mike, Crypto Ben in the house with us. Harp is in here. Username, I see you. Yeah, at a bar. Piper at a bar. I've been at a bar. If you guys don't know, I did some karaoke while I was in Vegas. There was a pretty good show there. But OC just disappeared on me. He left the building, and I guess I'll go ahead and jump over into the news, guys. Get all this broke down while OC is off gallivanting. But yeah, we should have the house all settled in here within the next week and have my full studio back up for you guys. So we will see. So, all right, let's go ahead and jump in here and take a look at what we're seeing on Into the Cryptoverse, guys. Getting all this data metrics. We are sitting right now at $3.278 trillion on the crypto market cap total. The trend on that is at $3.882 trillion. We are undervalued currently at about 15.57%. Looking at the current risk value of Bitcoin, it's at 57.8% risk band, and that means that is a 2x DCA on the Piper plan. Bitcoin dominance pulling back a little bit here with stables at 63.24%. Without stables, though, we are at 68.19%. Bitcoin is continuing to crush this dominance level. So not sure what's going to happen with that, but hey, we'll see when this thing hits 70 how we are looking. Let's go in and check out X marks the spot right now. and get in on that. Let's see here. X marks the spot. Looking at the fear and greed index, we are sitting at a 57 on fear and greed, currently in greed right now. And as I told you guys, X marks the spot window, talking about it here. Circle is now a publicly listed company on the New York Stock Exchange. This is a big deal for me. I've been waiting for this for a while, and I will be buying some of this today. I just want to let it get in and do its initial launch, settle into a price base floor, and then I'll look at buying some of that up. I will let the community know over in our Discord when I pick that up. And then a little bit of FUD here coming in from the Kabisi letter. He says, Americans have rarely been this pessimistic about the job market. 66% of U.S. consumers expect an increase in unemployment over the next 12 months, the highest share since 2008. This percentage has almost doubled over the last 4 months, a faster jump than during the financial crisis. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average of Americans' perceived probability of losing their job over the next 5 years has spiked to 22%. That is the highest it's been in 22 years. This is even higher than the 2020 COVID pandemic and 2008, which is the Great Recession. If you guys don't know, now you know. Such pessimism. Expectations about the labor market have never been seen outside of a recession. Guys, are we heading to a recession? Let me know in the chat if you think that if we've been in a recession. Put a 1 in there. If you think that we're going to go into a recession, put a 2. And if you think 1 and 2, that we've been in a recession, we came out of it, and now we're going back into an even worse one, put a 1 and 2. I'm just curious to see what you guys think. And, of course, 3. If you don't think anything, put that in the chat. We will see what you guys all think. This morning, the European Bank, ECB, cut interest rates again by 25 basis points to 2%, marking its eighth rate cut in a row. This puts the interest rate in Europe at the lowest level since early 2023. Let's go over here and check out Bitcoin liquidations. In the past 24 hours, we did have 90,698 traders liquidated. Total liquidations coming in at $204.18 million. Largest single liquidation order happened on HTX. It was Bitcoin. Someone losing a cool $2.21 million in a trade. Let's go check out the crypto bubbles for the daily here. Lots of red. You can see, put it on the hourly, even more red. Let's go down and look at these prices. Bitcoin currently coming in at 104,411. That is a flat number for the day, but it is down 1.3% on the hourly after a little pump this morning. Ethereum down on the daily and the hourly at $2,590. Let's see here. XRP is down about 1.1% at 219. Any big movers? Solana's down 2.9% today. Tron, look at there. Look there, OC. Tron up 0.3% on the daily. Looking pretty decent. Cardano's down about 0.8%. Hyperliquid's down. They're making a pullback to 3.5% to the downside at $34.77. Let's see here. Any other big movers? Let's look. It doesn't look like it. Stellar Lumen's down about 1.5, but Leo token on that Leo DeFi is up 1.5% and up on the hourly, looking pretty healthy in comparison to the rest right now. Rounding out that top 20 is going to be HBAR down 1.1%. Kind of flat today, guys. A lot of the same stuff that we're seeing in the stock market today. Let's go take a look at that. And I apologize, I don't have my beautiful black backgrounds here, the dark mode that I set up on my other system. So I apologize. You guys are going to get a little bit of some blindness from the white screen here, but we're looking at the Dow Jones right now, the S&P and the NASDAQ, all three sitting to the downside by 0.25%, 0.3% right now. Russell 2K down almost 0.5%, and that VIX is in the green, still under 20, but coming up to 18.10 points. Let's go check out what we're seeing on gold right now. Gold's up to $3,400 again. Told you guys, don't count out gold. It's going to do its thing, right? Coming back into play in that $3,500 target again at $3,400 right now, up 0.08% today. Silver, copper, platinum, and palladium. Precious metals all moving to the upside today. Let's take a look at oil. Oil to the upside also. Good sign for the recession. Not a good sign for your gas tank at the pump, but it is at 63.8 points right now, up about 1.5%. And then bonds, we're seeing a pullback on that 10-year yield, guys, starting to drop a little bit on that European central bank decision affecting the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield here a little bit. And this will throw a little bit of a lowering of the 30-year mortgage rate. So if you guys are looking at homes, that will affect that. Right now, I'd like to see this go down because I'm trying to sell the house in El Paso right now. So if we can get that thing sold, I have more money to put into Bitcoin. So let's go and take a look at what we're seeing here on the economic calendar today, guys. Talk about this. We did have this balance of trade and imports, all that came in today. They did this revision though. You guys remember how great this these numbers were on import and export last month? Yeah, they are all revised. So